Quick video today, guys. Sorry I haven't done any for a while, but life's got in the way again. I found this recently, 11-inch Rockstar Pro. That's a rare drum, that. Gunmetal grey. It's absolutely filthy. Needs a lot of work, but we'll get that cleaned up. I mentioned a cherry rose floor tom conversion I was doing, and this is it. So that's a 14 by 13 Granstar shell. I've rewrapped it as per my other videos, which you can check out, but I've deleted the tom mount. I've not drilled the holes just in case the guy ever wants to put it back on as a tom. But I've not drilled the mounts for legs. I've used these MC8s, which saves you drilling the shell. And that looks absolutely brilliant. I can't wait to see that on the kit. Now then, Starclassic, never owned one. There's two bass drums, 22 by 18s. Seriously thin shells. I mean, these are early ones, these are. There's some more drums here. I've got an 18, 13, 14, 12 and 10. But I don't know what's underneath them. Like I said, they're all wrapped in this cheap vinyl wrap. So what I want to do is just take some of the wrap off and actually see what I've got. So we'll do that now. So the kit's been larsified. Black hardware and then the white wrap. Now, looking at the powder coating, the chrome is still underneath it. So we will be able to get that back to chrome if we want. But what I want to know is what's actually underneath here. So let's have a look. Yeah. So what we've got is a black to natural fade. I'm not sure what finish it's actually called, but or if it's rare or if it's sought after, but obviously we'll get them fully stripped at some point and see what we can do with it. Let's grab the next bass drum. Yeah, entire black drum, that could be cool. Let's see what the others are like. So the 13 looks like a piano black as well, which is cool. Yeah, piano black 18-inch. 12-inch piano black. Yeah, this has the black and natural fade. Okay. 14 piano black too. So it looks like we've got 22, 14, 12, 13 and 18 all in piano black, which is amazing. That's a full kit, that. Then we've got the black to natural fade bass drum and 10 by 8 tom. So we've got some options there. We can either make a kit out of it, we could spray the other drum, but I'll have to get all the wrap off and actually look at the condition. I mean, this one's got a chip here. God knows why it's green underneath. But to actually know what we've actually got, we need to get the wrap fully off and have a look at the condition. I think this could end up being a really nice project. So keep tuned for it, and I promise I'll get some more videos out soon.